I was sent over this fan to test and try out. So let's go over what's in the box, and then we're going to do some outside footage and see how powerful this fan actually is. So when you open the box, everything is in its place. It has a foam area that's all sectioned off for everything and where it goes. So in the box, you're going to get, of course, the fan itself, and it also comes with 3 connectors, one which is attached. And you're also going to get 2 other attachments, and that's for inflating things like pool toys and air mattresses and that kind of stuff to help save some time there. You're also going to get the charging cord and the adapter for charging it. You're going to get the instruction manual, of course. You're also going to get a bag that's going to store the fan as well as the accessories, and inside this bag is another bag with a brush kit. The brush kit has 10 different brushes in it for all of those different applications, trying to loosen up that dirt and grime and all that stuff before you use the fan to clean it all out. So if you're using any attachments, they just screw on and off. To turn the fan on, the power button is on the bottom and it's next to the USB hub. So the button gets held down, it turns on, it's got 3 lights, that's 100% charged. If it's 2 lights, it's 50% charged, and if it's 1 light, it's 25% charged. As it's charging, it's going to flash those lights, and once it becomes solid, you're at a full charge. These 3 lights also serve to show you how powerful the fan is. So on one, you'll get power, but it just won't be as strong as the other ones. So if you turn it on, that's what it sounds like. It's got some power, it'll stay on. On the second level, this is what it sounds like. And it's much more powerful. If you go to the third power, you do have to hold the button on to keep it on, and this is what it sounds like there. So it's a big difference there. If you put this down and go off to do something, it has a timer on it, so after 3 minutes without any kind of activity, it will turn itself off. Let's see how well this does. The first thing I want to try this on is this vacuum cleaner filter. It's filthy and always gets dusty, so let's see how much of this dust we can clean off using the fan. So this is what it looks like, and it really did a good job of getting rid of probably 95% of that dust that was on there. There is still a little bit of dog fur on there, but in regards to how well it did, I really think it did a good job getting most of that dirt and dust out of that filter. Now I actually want to try it on my driveway, because pine straw this time of year is always on the driveway and I'm always digging out the leaf blower. Let's see how strong this is and how much it can actually do blowing pine straw across the driveway. So again, I actually really think it did a decent job on something like pine straw. This was the only thing I had available to grab without getting the leaf blower out. I might try this on my deck. It's going to be great if you have a woodworking area to get off sawdust. I like that it has multiple powers, it's easy to charge and use. I hope this helps you decide on if this turbo fan is a good fan for you.